Welcome to your favorite list channel, incredible lists made just for you. Hey, globetrotters and culture vultures, ready for a thrilling expedition? We're embarking on a virtual journey where we will discover the 8 most visited countries in the world. Pack your curiosity and adventurous spirit as we dive into this immersive exploration. First on our list is the land of haute couture and heavenly cuisine, France. Delight in romance-filled cityscapes and enchanting countryside. Admire globally iconic landmarks, particularly the Eiffel Tower, a symbol of architectural brilliance. This destination truly needs no introduction. Next up, we fly over to Spain, a country that dances to the rhythm of flamenco. With its rich history and vibrant culture, Spain is a true marvel. Known for its pristine beaches, centuries-old cities, and a gastronomy scene like no other, Spain offers some of the world's most alluring experiences. This Iberian gem is a sensory feast, with its flamboyant festivals, lively music, and famous tapas. Spain mesmerizes with sunlit beaches, antiquated cities, and mouth-watering tapas. Then we journey east to Italy, where history comes alive. We pass through the majestic mountains of the north, moving south to the sun-kissed beaches. Immerse yourself in the beautiful architecture of Rome. Don't forget to visit the iconic Colosseum. Traverse the floating city of Venice, explore its intricate maze of canals and waterways. Italy truly is a treasure trove of cultural wealth. Our next stop is the United States, a land of diversity. It's a land that showcases a rich tapestry of cultures, landscapes, and experiences. From bustling cities to untouched wilderness, the USA is a blend of urban sophistication and raw scenic beauty. It's a place where global influences converge and form a unique medley. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a history buff, a foodie, or a thrill seeker, the USA has something to offer. Its diversity is truly its strength, offering something for everyone. But wait, before we continue, if you are enjoying the video and are already planning your next trip, make sure to like and subscribe. It helps us a lot and costs nothing to you. We then head over to China, where tradition and modernity merge seamlessly. Explore the enigmatic Great Wall, a symbol of the country's rich history and resilience. Discover the bustling, technologically advanced cities, where skyscrapers touch the heavens. Wander through tranquil, vast countryside, a visual spectacle that provides a stark contrast to the urban landscape, all offering distinct experiences. Our 6th destination is the United Kingdom. This archipelago is renowned for its unique blend of past and present. From the illustrious Tower of London, the grandeur of Big Ben, to the breathtaking Scottish Highlands, this is a place where history is woven with culture and nature. The UK perfectly combines history, culture, and nature. Next, we find ourselves in Turkey, a mesmerizing land. Straddling 2 continents, Europe and Asia, its rich past is captivating, overflowing with magnificent architecture and irresistible cuisine. We arrive in Germany, a powerhouse of innovation. It is a land of captivating fairy tale castles, pulsating cities, and the irresistible bratwurst. Germany, an absolute must-visit destination. So there you have it, the world's top 8 travel hotspots. Which of these appeals to your wanderlust? Share your dream destination in the comments. Let's hear about your goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring.